next bout coming up.
Dalviar Sanjana, Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 के इस असली दंगल में अब मुकाबला है महिलाओं के 58 किलोग्राम वर्ग में और एनसीआर पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से पहली जो महिला योद्धा आ रही हैं उनका नाम है मोनाली मंजू कुमार। पतंजलि पावर वीटा प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 के असली दंगल में एनसीआर पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रहे इंडिया मूल की पूजा धंडा।
So we're set for this second bout of day 2. The crowd looking on. Remember, it's the NCR Punjab Royals up against Jaipur Ninjas, and in this second bout, it's Manju Kumari of NCR Punjab Royals, the 19-year-old who's also won gold at the Commonwealth Championships in Singapore in 2016 and gold at the South Asian Games that were held, remember, in Assam. Into this Pooja Thanda of Jaipur Ninjas, slightly more experienced, slightly older. Pooja, of course, 23 years old in the women's 58 kg category. Senior Asian Championships bronze in 2014 to her credit, and the Commonwealth Championships gold in 2013. The referee, as far as this bout is concerned, is the very experienced Ashok Kumar, while the match chairman is Virendra Malik and the judge Uri Vesna. So we're all set for this second bout to commence. The first round of the second bout. I'm Raman Manoj, with me is Ajay Mehra. So we've got two grapplers here, Ajay. One of them who's come through the junior ranks, now a little more experienced in the senior category, Pooja Thanda. And then Manju Kumari, on the other hand, who just early last year competed in the senior nationals and won. And also, of course, competed in the junior nationals and won as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is going to be very interesting, Raman, because both Indians in the fray, both the Indian female grapplers in the fray here. And as far as this bout is concerned, it's very important for the NCR Punjab Royals. Remember, they've lost the first bout, so they have to win this to be back in the hunt as far as this contest goes. So at the moment, just taking their time, Manju Kumari, not in a too much of a hurry. But this happens very often. We have seen this passivity time, just taking that time. And that's exactly what the referee is telling both the grapplers here. You've got to be in action, be more aggressive.
Remember, the blue corner is the NCR Punjab Royals. That's the corner Manju Kumari is representing as well. The tie score is 1-0 in favor of the Jaipur Ninjas because of that opening bout being won by Yakub Makarashvili.
Still trying to get hold. I just feel they're just seeing and assessing exactly the moves they have to go on initially. Just taking their time. But Manju Kumari a bit taller as compared to her opponent.
And it's not often, Ajay, that you'll find a grappler in the same year competing in the nationals, winning gold in the junior and senior category. So that speaks volumes about Manju's capability to take on grapplers older than her as well in the senior category.
And that's the reason, if you see, if she was sold for 20.5 lakhs as compared to Pooja, who just sold for 7 lakhs. So the selling price of the auction was much more for Manju Kumari.
A lot of people see a promise in this young grappler. Just a quick warning coming in from Ashok Kumar from the referee to the Jaipur Ninjas grappler.
She's got to be aggressive, and that's exactly what she's doing, just making the first move. Still, I feel the defense as far as Manju is concerned has been very strong. Just in the upper body, holding her position very, very strongly.
Now she's got to try and score a point in the next few seconds as the grappler Pooja Dhanda from Jaipur Ninjas. Otherwise, she'll have a point go against her. Yes, that's exactly what's happened. It's the blue corner and Manju Kumari who scores the opening point. That's a point for passivity that she's managed to garner. 1-0 up now.
This is exactly what we were mentioning. Just taking their time, and that open account as far as Manju Kumari is concerned. She's opened her account. Still taking their time. This is the first round. Not too aggressive. I just feel out here Pooja has to be more aggressive. Not getting hold at all.
She's more experienced, that's for sure.
And she was going for the single leg tackle, but very good defense as well from Manju. Just moving backwards.
She's got that 1 point lead as well, remember? So she's just trying to hold back. You look at her footwork. Manju Kumari's footwork is very decisive. Look at that. She's able to step back the moment she sees Pooja Dhanda trying to go for the single leg tackle. So that's the end of the first round. A low scoring round, but Manju Kumari is in the lead by the solitary point. A 19-year-old Manju Kumari representing NCR Punjab Royals, leading by a solitary point against Pooja Dhanda of Jaipur Ninjas in this second bout of the day on day 2 of the Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2. The crowds milled in as well and they're enjoying wrestling action. We've got the who's who here. I'm Raman Banot, with me is Ajay Mehra, and Ajay, the interesting part is, can this grappler Pooja Dhanda make a comeback? She's physically very strong, but Manju Kumari has fought like a seasoned pro, though she's just 19 years old.
Yeah, absolutely. Very commendable defense by her. I have a lot of advice for Pooja by her coaches, exactly telling her that she's got to be more aggressive, she's got to pounce more, and this is going to be a very important round. The last round, of course, 3 minutes as well. So she's got to make the moves here. But Manju has been very solid, very tight in her defense. So that's the start of the second round now. You see the defense, she's moving back, and now just trying to get that grip. Manju Kumari still not getting the hold she wants, she requires here.
Tactically as well, she's relied a lot more on going for the upper body holds rather than bend low and risk a single leg tackle or a hold. Manju Kumari is to the right of your picture frames. She's younger than Pooja Dhanda, remember. Pooja Dhanda's 23, a lot more experience behind her. Bronze at the Senior Asian Championships in 2014 in Pooja's name as well. But Manju, you've got to say, over the last 12 or 14 months, has had an upswing in her fortunes. A gold at the South Asian Games, a gold in the Commonwealth Championships in Singapore. Remember, the championships different from the games, which were held in Glasgow in 2014. But we're talking about the championships.
Yeah, absolutely. And as you mentioned, her performances have been much better in the last few months. And that's the reason that confidence is reflecting the way she's moving, the way she's defending at the moment. Really a tough work as far as Pooja is concerned. Just a slender lead, not a big lead. Just about a matter of one move she makes here, Pooja. And things could really fall back on her side as well.
That's what she's got to keep in mind, because remember, that point that's been scored by Manju Kumari has come thanks to passivity that was shown by Pooja Dhanda. Well, Sunny Deol's looking on, enjoying the action, hoping that NCR Punjab Royals can pick up a point by winning this tie.
And the way things are moving here, well, there is a move out here. And at the moment, Manju in a bit of bother, just trying to get that hold. And Pooja has got a couple of points.
Yes, Pooja Dhanda. Well, the referee gave the points. They need to reflect on the score sheet as well. It was signaled by Ashok Kumar. Remember, the scoring needs to be ratified as well. 2 points reflecting, yes, not only on our score sheet, but also on the scoring board near the mat as well.
But at the moment, if you see, still she's got a hold here. And now The referee indicating Ashok Kumar, they have to come back into that neutral position. They have to start all over again. So good work done by Pooja. Still not much time left, just under a minute. She's got to make the moves here. Manju trying her best. Just feel the way this game is going, Raman, is not going to be a very high scoring game.
Yes, Ajay, I also feel that Manju, now she's going to start getting desperate to score points, and that's going to give an opportunity to Pooja Dhanda. Well, great comeback here from Manju Kumari, you'll have to say. Can she hold on now and convert this into some points? Pooja grabbing onto that left leg, and that's what's preventing Manju from scoring points in this position.
Yeah, absolutely. You see that grip is still not very firm as far as she's concerned. Not much time left. And once again indicating here Ashok Kumar that still no points, and he wants both the grapplers to be back in the neutral position. Tried her best.
This can be a real test. I can tell you what, your ligaments and tendons do get strained with holds like that. It's painful for the eye. But points here. It's going to be points for Pooja Dhanda. Yes, 2 more for against Manju Kumari. So the red corner gets another couple of points, and no wonders. Jaipur Ninjas are very happy.
Absolutely. These were very, very crucial points. And Jaipur Ninjas, well, they have won this bout. That's very good work as far as Pooja is concerned. Coming back very strongly in the latter half, in the second round.
What a comeback from Pooja Dhanda, the 23-year-old grappler fighting for Jaipur Ninjas, was trailing by a solitary point at the end of the opening round. Trailed for almost 4 minutes of this contest and then made a comeback. Strong move, picked up a couple of points, and then towards the end in the dying seconds, picked up 2 more to seal the victory.
Jaipur Ninjas, well, what a start for them, and well, very engrossing fight. In the end, Pooja coming back very strongly, getting a few points out here. Manju was always struggling, then getting a stranglehold, that grip as well.
And this was great defense from Pooja, and then coupled it up with that strong takedown for another couple of points. Confirmation of the result, Pooja Dhanda wins 4-1 against the 19-year-old Manju Kumari.